Looking for a A-grade developer, township development before the airport toll. We bring you Embassy Springs. Right now, you've got an opportunity because this is a 288-acre self-sustained township best planned township. And current opportunity, we have 2.5, and three-bedroom apartments starting at 62 lakh. This is the main entry of the property. The towers, what you see on the right, are the basically senior living homes. On to the left and right, the land parcel, what you see would basically be the retail, commercial, and office spaces, dedicated areas where the future development is planned in here. The society is already functional, as the plotted development is all sold and families are already built homes and started living in here. The current opportunity, we have one bedroom. The dimension starts from 600, goes up to 700 square feet, starting at around 62 lakhs. Then we have two bedroom option starting from 980 square feet, goes up to 1060 square feet, starting at around 99 lakhs. 2.5 BHK option starting at 1089, going up to 1125 square feet, starting at 1.10, and the standard three bedroom 1240 square feet, going up to 1406, starting at 1.24 crores. On the right hand side, what you see is the artificial lake. Opposite to that, you have the upcoming 3 lakh square feet, the largest clubhouse in the residential segment, which will be open to the public, as well as the membership to the plotted development. The apartment, what we are talking about, will have its own independent clubhouse, for which the costing is all included onto it. So this is how the overall current status of the entire development comes in. School is already functional, which you see on the right, the white color structure. On the left, the concrete superstructure. What you see is Embassy Edge. Embassy adjacent to Embassy Edge was the latest launch, Embassy Verde, which was sold recently. We have some options available, and the beauty today, the current opportunity is the flexible payment plan, where it's 30, 40, and 30%. So 30%, when you book a unit, you pay 10%. Within 45 days to 50 days, you pay another 20%. Completion of the plastering of the entire tower expected by March 2026. At that point of time, you pay 40%. Then after 6 months, you pay around 15%. When we apply for OC, pay 10%, possession 10%. So you have a flexible payment plan where you just have to be ready with approx 30%, and the next payment will only hit in once we complete the plastering of the tower, which will happen tentative at March 2026. So you have the breathing space onto it. Flexible payment plan, A grade developer, township development, multiple opportunities coming in the same vicinity, but that would come at a ultra luxury segment with larger spaces into it. Operational school just 2 kilometers from the national highway, the upcoming metro station, the Prestige Forum Mall, the Prestige Tech Cloud, which is already operational, which would be approximately in the range of around 3.5 kilometers from the property in here. Lot of action happening in the same vicinity, where Bhartiya is also coming up with a 30-acre development. This property will always demand a premium because of the integrated township, 300 acres developed, and will be maintained by Embassy. So maintenance is a pretty crucial part when you talk about a developer developing a property and sustaining it for a longer period of time. So if you're looking at a planned development township with pretty well maintained area, a lot of open spaces before the toll, for further details, contact us.